Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ni Hamuda. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you over 20 secret website where you can download high quality graphic design resources where you use for whatsoever you want to use them for your project and all that. So I'm showing you 20 plus, even more than that. I will give you a lot of resources. All right, so I'm going to be showing you this website in categories. So the first one to begin with is where you can get mockups. Website where you can get mockups. That is number one. Mockup website. So the first on our list is going to be unblast.com. all right, so just go to unblast.com. Is a very massive website where you can download a lot of graphic design resources. You could get fonts here also. You could get template graphics, 3D models, colors, but particularly I come here to get mockups. You can see a lot of mockups, 3D mockups, phone mockups, stationary mockups, and just about any kind of PSD mockup you want to download. You can get them from Unblast. Right, it is very powerful. You can see all these beautiful mockups right here. They're easily downloadable. So once you click on it like this, I think once you click on it, you just go over to where you have the download option, and you'll be able to download it. All right, so just put in this code right here, and then you'll be able to access it. It's very easy and accessible. That is number one. We have other mockup websites like let's check free Mockup Word. Right, so free Mockup Word is another powerful website where you can get mockups. There are two websites. One is called Mockup Word, the other one is called Free Mockup Word. So you see that this is a very powerful website where you can get a lot of mockup for your design. So you can see them here. Beautiful. Let me put it on this mute. Alright, you can see all these beautiful mockups here. You can see them. Right, so once you want to download, you just click on it like this. Once you click on it, you just go over, you see the download button at the bottom right there, free download. Click on it and then it will be downloaded to your device. The next on our list is Graphic Burger. Alright, Graphics Burger. It's a very powerful website where you can get free graphic design resources. Graphicburger.com. You can get free graphic design resources right there. Particularly mockups. You can see there are a lot of mockups here. You can get mockups, you can get UI kits, you can get text effects, you can get backgrounds, you can get just about any kind of graphic design resources. If you wanted book mockup, just click on book right here, books. You wait for it to load to generate, and then you're gonna be seeing the books. So this guy is actually redirecting us to another website. Place it. What you can see, there are a lot of inbuilt mockup. Look at this, very beautiful, very beautiful. So that's just some of them. Then also we could, if you wanted to get more mockups, we could go to where is it? We could go to this guy here. You could just go to your Telegram application and type in the search bar. Go to the and just type in PSD mockup. You're gonna see this Russian group here. Get in, and then you'll be able to access a lot of mockups. So you can either search for what you want, or you go to the file, right? Go to file, and you're going to see a lot of mockups that have been uploaded. So these are some of the places you can get free mockup. You can also get free mockups from Freepik. Okay, Freepik. All right, you can get free mockup from Freepik. All right, Freepik.com. Not just mockups, you could get text effects, you get fonts and many other stuff there. You can see that here. So once you get to the website, all you have to do is to go to the search bar, right, where you have this stuff here, where you have this, just type in mockup, and you're going to see them coming out for you. All right, so let's go to colors. What are some of the resources you can use to get more information about color? The first I'm going to show you right here is this great guy website here. we're going over to this guy's page. You go to Mr. Pogo. Mr. Pugo, go to Mr. Pugo. You're going to see a lot of color resources you could use to get ideas for your color. All right, Mr. Pugo, go on Instagram. You can get the guy's details there, Mr. Pugo. All right, then also if you wanted to get more resources on color, so you can also go to ColorHunt. So let's go ColorHunt like this. Alright, so ColorHunt is another website where you can get ideas, color ideas for your design project. As you can see them, see it right here. You can see a lot of color ideas for your project. Alright, you could see them here. So there are some that are popular, there's some that are unpopular. You can see them here. Okay, it's a very beautiful website. If you are struggling to get ideas for your color, you can come to ColorHunt and then you can get a lot of beautiful ideas. I know it gives you color palettes that you can use for your design. It gives you the color codes also, and you are able to get the exact code for each color. Like you can see right here, you can see this. You can copy directly from here into your design software and begin to use for your design. All right, apart from that, we have another website called Color. All right, so double O this time. All right, Colors is another resource where you can get ideas for your color ideas for your design. Colors, this is it. All right, you can see this beautiful website here. Okay, I have accepted. Okay, so this is it, the super fast color palettes generator. So this guy helps you to generate colors for the palettes, color palette for your design project. As you can see it right there, you can click on start the generator. All right, start generator, and then in a very short while you are going to see how this guy is going to generate lots and lots of colors for your. You can click on generate right here. You can see it's going to be generating different colors palettes for you, and you can decide to use them for your design. We have another one there. Okay, that's all for colors. We can go now over to where we can get pictures. Or we can get high quality images for our design. To get high quality images, we could go to Pixabay. Okay, Pixabay is a free website where you can get stunning royalty-free images and royalty-free stock images. All right, so you just go right here to Pixabay and search for whatever you want to search. Right, when you search for, you just download. When you click on any image, don't hold it like this and then click download. No, you're going to get a low quality results. Click on, once you get into the image like this, all right, once you get, you see, you will have to join. Okay, once you sign in, click on the image, you will see a download button right here, just like you see it right there. You choose the resolution. You can see even as much as 4 MB. Right, you can choose and click on download, and then it will download it straight into your device. That's Pixabay. It has a lot of resources, and even there are illustrations and there are videos. Okay, if you wanted videos, right, you could also get it in Pixabay. All right, so apart from that, we also have the next, which is called Pixels. Pixels is a free royalty-free website where you can get the best free stock photos, royalty-free stock photos for your graphics. All right, you can sign in with your email address and you'll be able to search for millions of photographs here. And if you wanted to upload, you can register as a member and then click on upload, and then also upload the picture so other person can benefit from it too. All right, so this is Pixabay. You could search for whatever you want to search. Let me say, right, Nigeria man. Okay, so once you click on search, it's going to load for you and you're going to see everything just the way you see it. You can see all these guys here. All right, so once you click like this, you just click on free download, and you can even, this is integrated with Canva, so from here, directly from here, you can take it to Canva and begin to edit. All right, Very cool. Pixabay there. All right, another one you can use to download images is Unsplash. Unsplash is going to splash you with so many beautiful free images. Like you can see on the picture right here, you can see that a lot of images you can download from here. Okay, Splash, it's gonna give you a lot of royalty free image you can use for your design project. Another website you could use is called PNGWin.com. PNGWin.com. You can fly in here anytime you need PNG for your design. You could see icons and backgrounds. You could see any kind of vector you are needing for your graphic design project. You'll be finding them in PNGWin.com. All right, so if you wanted to remove background from your images and probably your Photoshop is not working, you could go to erase. All right, just go to erase, remove.bg. That's one of it. All right, remove.bg, and you could also go to erase.bg. All right, they function the same way. So you could go here, upload your image. All right, click on the image you want to upload, and then that's erase.bg now. Then there's also remove.bg. So I want to work on this image. Just upload the image, and it's going to load for you in a you'll see very fast. The image, the background will be removed, download the original size, and then you're good to go. Then you can also try remove.bg. Okay, and apart from that, you could try Photoroom. All right, Photoroom.com/background remover. This is also the same function with the remove.bg. All right, now we come to where we can get icons. If you wanted to get icons for your design, you could go to one of the very popular websites is Flaticon. Flaticon.com is a website where you would get access to millions and millions of free icons for your UI UX design, for your design project. You can see them here. They are easily accessible. Once you click on it, you can get stickers, you can get icon packs, and then you just done. Some are premium, like these ones right here. They are premium, you have to pay for them, but the majority of them are free. You can get them for free. Another website where you can get very beautiful icons is IconUp. IconUp is a free website where you can get lots and a lot of icons to add to your design project. You see them here, very beautiful icons. You can see them, right? Especially if you're a UI UX designer, you can use this to create your mobile application. All right, so apart from that, we also have what's called Box Icon. All right, so Box Icons is another website where you can get very beautiful high quality web icons. Okay, high quality web icons for your UI UX design. Okay, when you're working on projects, apps, and all that, you can actually get them from Box Icon. Sorry. All right, so that is it. If you wanted design inspiration, where you can get design inspiration, you could go to ByHands. All right, you could go to ByHands. Okay. Just wanted to go directly to the website. So you go to ByHands.com, you get access to a lot of inspiration for your design. All right, inspiration for your design, onboarding. The second, you can see, go to graphic design. You can see UI UX design. All right, you can see a lot. You see, they always give you the best. All right, they always give you the best. And so once you choose the category you want, when you want to get in, choose the category you want to appear on your dashboard. All right, so once you select, your custom feed will be created, so that anytime you get into Behance, you're going to be seeing a lot of these guys here. And you see, you can draw inspiration from here. And the beautiful thing is that you can download some of them. They are downloadable. Some of the stuff here, they are downloadable. All right, so that is that. Then another website you could use. Another website you could use to get inspiration for your design is Saveit. Saveit is another beautiful website to draw inspiration. It's more like a Pinterest for graphic designers, specifically for graphic designers, where you can get inspiration for your design, for your photography, and every other thing that I just hear. Then the next is Dribble. Dribble will dribble you with a lot of stunning designs how you could use to draw inspirations, okay, for graphic design, branding, mobile, print, product design, typography. You can get all of it right here in Dribble, especially UI UX design. As you can come over here and get inspiration for your design. There are beautiful, very, very beautiful graphics here, mockups and all that. Then you can get color ideas, logo design ideas, everything. You're going to get it in Dribble, okay. And the last but not the least is Pinterest. So Pinterest, I think this guy is going to redirect me to the web, to the app, okay, because as you can see now. So this is Pinterest, where you can also get design inspiration and all that. I have mentioned quite a lot of website for you, over 20 now. Now let's go over to where you can get font. If you wanted to download font for your design, one of the popular one here is Fontscom. All right, this is a very, very big website where you can get a lot of free commercial free fonts. So if you add the name of the font, you can search for it, or you could actually search Infinity. You could search for what you want, and then once you want to download, just click on download like this, and in a matter of seconds it will be downloaded, and then you can unzip it and then import it into your design software. Apart from that, we have other websites for fonts like Fontspace and Google Fonts. So let's go to Fontspace. Where we can get other fonts. All right, so you can get over 100,000 free fonts from Fontspace. So instead of crying that I don't have this font, just go over here. You can get it for free. They're for free. All right, for free. You can get fonts for free right there. You can see that you can get it all for free. Just search for the name of the font you want, and then you get it. You could also search Google Fonts, okay. You could also search Google Font, a very beautiful resource for downloading fonts. You could get all the Google fonts right here. You can see, all right, you can see them right here. So I wanted to search for Poppins, so I'll just POPP. All right, so this Poppins, and then I'll search. All right, and all right, you can see Poppins right here. All right, you can see Poppins right here. All right, you can download the entire family of Poppins right here, okay. All right, so if you wanted to see how it looks, you can come to text type tester, and you could type in what you wanted to type here, and you will see the results exactly. So this is all we're going to be taking for this video. We don't want it to be so long. My name is Niyamuda. If you like the website I've just shown you, don't forget to like this video also, and don't forget to subscribe. And this is a lot of resources that I've been giving to you. Ensure that you utilize them in your next design project, and I will see you in another tutorial. My name remains Niyamuda, and I'm so much concerned about your growth. See you.